Learn 50 plus good habits for kids. Early to rise. Early to bed. Praying namaz daily. Recite Quran Pak daily. Take a bath daily. Brush your teeth twice a day. Eating healthy food. Go to school happily. Keep your school clean. Keep your surrounding clean. Always help others. Always finish your meal. Always wash your hands before and after meal. Do exercise daily. Comb your hair twice a day. Throw the trash outside. Iron your clothes. Always wear clean clothes. Keep clean your room. Well organize your desk. Clean your ears regularly. Drink lots of water. Always be sitting, drink water. Never waste the water. Trim your nails regular. Keep your toys well organized. Don't waste food. Take care of your parents. Follow the traffic rules. Respect our elders. Stay active. Be honest with others. Be honest with your studies. Do not whisper. Always read good books. Always listen teacher's advice. Do not talk during chew food. Do not tell a lie. Always speak truth. Do not jump on the bed. Always share with your friend. Keep your things carefully. Do not spit on the floor. Always cover your mouth when you sneeze or flu. Do not scribble on the wall. Do not eat with your mouth open. Stay positive. Stop bullying others. Stop fighting each other. Try to understand others. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.